All right, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with TopOrlandoHomes.com and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We're in a special new listing here in Northwest Orlando, right on Elizabeth Rose Square, just tucked right off of the Maitland Expressway 414, just south of the Seminole Orange County line here, and very convenient central location. And so we have a beautiful house with tons of upgrades. Let's go check it out. All right, so right when we enter the home, you're gonna notice leading up to the stairs here, we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom with brand new carpeting. And then we have the brand new porcelain wood look tiles everywhere here as well. We have the vaulted ceilings. If you notice outside, we have a new roof, new AC, and new fence, which we'll see more of shortly. Then we flow into the dining room, where we, off to the left, have the laundry, a half bathroom, and access to the garage. And then we flow nice and cozy into the family room with the wood-burning fireplace. And it all opens up here to the kitchen with the nook. We have new stainless steel appliances, freshly painted cabinets by a professional, so it looks amazing, very sharp. And then we have the view here overlooking the pool from the nook. And then off behind is the master suite, which you can see there in the photos as well, with direct access to the pool. And so let's go check it out. Okay, so now we open up into the pool deck, which you can see there's a lot of deck space here. Nice rocks surrounding. Again, the new fence, as you can see, and a very nice sized pool, deep enough, new paint on it. And so it really opens up here. Plus you got a good sized backyard for kids to play, pets to run around. It's already done for you. Everything's done, both the maintenance and the upgrades. And so you got to come check it out in person here. 5646 Elizabeth Rose Square here, right northwest Orlando. Beautiful, again, right on the Maitland, Orlando, Seminole lines, and so very convenient location here. And so we'll see you real soon. Again, Phil Colbridge here, TopOrlandoHomes.com, Keller Williams Advantage 2. See you, bye.